Hey, what's up everyone? Michael McCabe back here for another unboxing video. And the product that I'm going to unbox is something that was from an event from a month ago. And I know it's been already a month since this took place, but I'm going to be unboxing a Sirencon 2024 shirt just so I can showcase what the shirt looks like, because even though I didn't attend Sirencon, I wanted to get a shirt for it because, I am a bit of a siren enthusiast, but I'm not an expert on sirens like most others who did attend. But one day soon I want to attend and actually get to hear some sirens, because I've always wanted to hear a real siren test, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about this because I just got this in the mail today as of recording this. And I bought this not long after the event was over, and just in time because I got it just before they stopped selling them. So let's skip the talking and just get straight to the unboxing. Now, ooh, I see it. Here we are. What's this? Just another thing from not Sirencon, Custom Make. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is actually a pretty good looking shirt. As you can see, we have a Quadron, an Alertronic, P50, Square Horn Hurricane, and a Screamer here. From Kent to Soma, Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Just a couple miles from where I have my family in Kenosha. That's like southern Wisconsin. This is like kind of northern Wisconsin, but I've been there before, and I'm gonna showcase me in the shirt toward the end of this, but till then, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and keep a pride raging, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, folks.